Beyond Meat, we kind of getting near the last bottom for this year around the 50 cents. You see what's going on, guys? We got two levels for Beyond Meat around the $1, which is the psychological level that Beyond Meat have to bring the price share for it over the $1. Otherwise, we're going to be delisted. The other level is around the 50 cent, which is a psychological level that we should hold over in order to have a reversal before the earnings next or today after hours. We got huge anticipation for Beyond Meat. I'm gonna lower the resistance right now around the 73 and discuss why we lowered the resistance and what's the game plan for today earnings. Before we go further, remember, guys, always our content here for educational purposes only. So let us discuss Beyond Meat before the earnings. As you see here, we have a huge anticipation before the earnings, 10%. We didn't have this jump since the last jump that we did last month on the 27th of February. So almost 1 month from now, the end of the last month, we have a huge jump, then a period of consolidation and kind of dead zone. There's no reaction from Beyond Meat around this level. Today we have a jump of 10%. This is really good because even the market was dead the last few days. Beyond Meat was just follow the market. However, today we might have a different reaction if only we break the 73. This is the first level of resistance where the short seller added their position, the last place where they added. Because the last place, the other place that they added their position was around the $1, and before again around the $1. So they doubled their position from beginning of this year, and then after that in the end of February. So in beginning of this year, the first month, then the second month, and now on the third month of March, or around the 25th, they added again. So they added twice around the $1 and once around the 73 cents. So what we should have right now, and what's the game plan? The good thing that we saw right now is Beyond Meat is up 10%, which is huge anticipation for the earnings. As you see here, we got the earning estimate. Like right now it is around 63 million. Last earnings or revenue was around the 68. Reported was better than expected, around the 70. So today we might have a good earnings or maybe even positive earnings. This will be a really game changer for Beyond Meat to go over the 73. So let me just check here how much we're missing toward the 73. Another almost 10% around this level. So if we have today 20% jump for Beyond Meat before even the earnings, will be a good to be near the resistance. And once we have a good earnings, we make the short cover on the news of the earnings today after hours, and this might give us the squeeze again toward the 88 or 89. Then of course the most important level around the $1. So expect a test for the $1 if we have a good earnings, or if we just got near around the 73 before the earnings and then we squeeze up. And the expected results for this jump, maybe we might have 20 or 40%. This is the best case scenario. The worst case scenario, we have to be subjective here. The worst case scenario is pump before the market close today, then during the earnings the market short again toward the 73 to go toward the 51. So expect huge volatility. It's really dangerous play, guys. As we said, this is high risk, high reward, because if we expected a pullback, it could be 30%. If we expected a jump, we expected 20 and 40%. Now, no less, no more. Beyond Meat, when it jump, when we have a huge anticipation, huge short, expect volatility of over 20% or even sometimes 40% easily. Because we jumped before without earnings almost 30%. So expect volatility for Beyond Meat today. And the best case scenario is doing 70% around the $1.25. Let me know, guys, in comment section below what you think about Beyond Meat. Are we gonna have a huge squeeze? Are we gonna see the $1 or the 50 cents for today? We're gonna discuss, of course, Beyond Meat tomorrow before the market open to discuss the other levels as usual, because we always do update on our Discord, because the market change in a few seconds and the chart will change. So we're gonna do the update on the unicorn hunt as usual. So expect update over there. The link to our Patreon Discord in description below this video. So for Beyond Meat, as we said, huge anticipation, earnings today after hours.